Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Screven County in southeastern Georgia, Effingham County in southeastern Georgia, Hampton County in southeastern South Carolina, Allendale County in southeastern South Carolina, Jasper County in southeastern South Carolina, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Gifford to Capitolo, moving northwest at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Allendale, Sylvania, Hampton, Lake Warren State Park, Barnville, Estill, Fairfax, Brunson, Gifford, Newington, Fermat, Oliver, Scotia, Sycamore, and Luray. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so.